In this video, we are going to be analysing MULN. So to get straight into it, firstly, we can see we are down just around 6% on the day. But also, as we said in our last analysis video, really we are very far off from any statistical levels, at least on the longer term time frame. We can see our closest resistance is $1.40 and our closest support level is at 15 cents. So both very far off from where we are now. So if you want to see the longer term levels, if you're looking at this stock in multiple months or even year time horizons, then check out the previous MULN analysis video we did. But if you're looking at more recent times and you want to see where is it going to go within the next week, maybe two, then we're going to be going over to a 20-day 1 hour chart, because these can give us closer levels to more recent price action. So as of right now, our closest now resistance then is at 64 cents, and if we continue down, then our closest support level is at 45 cents. So obviously a lot more achievable. We should be able to see a move to at least one of these levels by Friday. So if we continue up, then really that key level is going to be 65 cents. If we can break that, then we're looking at 75 cents, 83 cents, and a final level at 93 cents if we can get a strong movement to the upside. Now, if we end up getting weaker pressure and we start selling to the downside, what are going to be key support levels? And obviously we already noted that 45-46 cent level. If we break that, we're looking at 35 cents, 25 cents, and a final level at 16 cents. And obviously very close below that, around 12 cents, you had the longer term time frame. So if we did sell off that harsh, then we could be going on back onto the longer term time frame. So really the key focus is, as of now, if we bounce up to the 65 cents, we would probably turn to be a bit more short bias on this stock. And the same thing, if we break down to around 45 cents, we would probably turn a bit more bullish on this stock. But really the key focus, if you're looking at say longer term trend, is to break out of either the 16 cent range and to break down to the 12, when we could start being way more long bias on it. And really if we break above that 93 cents, then we would be coming closer to that longer term resistance, and then we could get some decent longer term trades. But if you're just looking for the intraday trades, then these are the levels that we would be focusing on from long trading. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.